Welcome back to Momis Designs. My name is Norma, and in this channel you're gonna see a mix of videos from DIYs to reviews, a whole bunch of fun videos. Please make sure you subscribe. That really keeps me very encouraged to continue in this path. Other than that, let's go ahead and start the video. Welcome back. In this video we're going to go ahead and do a review on this item, and the kit comes, it's called a $1 billion brows, and it comes with the brow body, which is this tool here, and the white pencil. And pretty much what this does is that it aligns, it makes a line on your eyebrows so you can when you apply the color on it, it's perfect. My eyebrows are tattooed, and they've been tattooed for a long time, but since the color is sometimes a little too dark, I go over it and I do a brown. So this is also a test to see if the people who did my eyebrows did a good job. So we're gonna make three lines. So the first one is we go right here, and we just align it right there. It's completely closed. So you go here, you close it all the way, and you have your white pencil, and you're gonna go right here and right here, and then you're gonna go halfway, okay, and then you're gonna go, let me see here, I don't have my glasses on, but okay, you're gonna go there, it's halfway, and you're gonna put a mark right there. You're gonna put another mark right there, and then you're gonna go at the end of your eyes right there, which is all the way, I opened it all the way, so you're gonna go there and you're gonna put a mark right there, right there. Okay, so let me put my glasses on, and you can see that I need to color more right here. So that right there tells you that they didn't really do a good job. So what I need to do is I need to go like right there where the line is at, and I need to color all of these. So I'm just gonna go over it, and then from here I need to go down, and then from here, see, can you tell that it's, I need to go a little longer than what they did. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that, and then right here is even more. Look at that. So right here, I need to go from here. Let me take my glasses off. From here, all that right there. Maybe I'm gonna need to get a different pencil because this is gonna look a little funky. But this is the one I've been using that I used to go over it. So then once you get here, you need to go down, and you need to go down a little more. I mean, I need to go down a little more, all the way to the line. So that tells you that you can't trust anybody. Okay, they didn't really do a real good job. So then from now on, I need to do my eyebrows, and I need to go here, all the way down here, and then go there. And then right here is less, as you can see, by the line, and I just go here. And then from here I need to go down, and I need to go down to where the other white line is. Okay, so isn't this a really, really, really nice tool? I mean, I don't know who came out with this, but I really, this is the first time I use this, and I really like it. So all I really need to do is erase the white line. It erases really easy. Okay, so There you go. So this is your new best friend. I'm gonna put it in the description box. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link for this. But if you put a comment and a like on this video, I'm gonna, once I get 100 likes and 100 comments, I'm gonna go ahead and do a drawing for one right here. Share it, follow, comment, like, and I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Your likes and your comments keep me encouraged to continue in this path. Basically sharing the things that I buy for myself so that you look at the reviews and you are sure whether you want to buy the item or not. For now, thank you so much for watching. Blessings.